Good morning, student. In the previous classes for class 10th in chemistry, your second chapter acid, bases and salt, in which I was taught about the dilution of concentrated acid. Now today in our third lecture, I am going to talk about the pH scale and about the pH. Here it is written pH scale. Our pH scale is discovered by our scientist Sorensen. Here P, the word, represents power and H represents hydrogen and concentration. The P word, P is our German word. P is derived from the German word potens. Potens, and the initial letter of P represents power. P for power and H for hydrogen and concentration. So here our pH scale measured the strength of acid as well as base. Here that scale is divided from 0 to 14. At 7 represents the nature of neutral solution, and on moving in the right direction of 7, the basic nature increasing increasing basic character और इधर से आपको इधर से इंक्रीजिंग और ये होगा इंक्रीजिंग एसिडिक character. On going from 7, the solution whose pH value is 7, it represents the nature of solution neutral. It means neutral solution having pH value 7, our distilled water is neutral, so the pH value of distilled water is 7. On moving in the right direction from 7 to 14, the basic character of solution increases, and on moving from 7 to in left direction, on moving left direction of 7, that is increasing the acidic character of solution. It means our most acidic solution having pH value 0, and our most basic solution whose pH value 14 representing the highly basic solution, highly alkaline solution. So here our basic character increasing from 7 to 14, and our acidic character increasing from 7 to 0. Most acidic solution pH value 0, and most basic solution the pH value is 14. So here if pH is less than 7, acidic, pH is value 7, neutral solution, and pH value greater than 7, बेसिक. अगर किसी सॉल्यूशन का pH वैल्यू लेस देन 7 आता है, द सॉल्यूशन विल बी एसिडिक. pH वैल्यू 7 आता है न्यूट्रल, pH वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 7, 7 से ज़्यादा अगर pH वैल्यू आता है, दैट सॉल्यूशन विल बी बेसिक. और डिस्टिल्ड वाटर इज बेसिक इन नेचर, so the pH value of distilled water is 7. Now as we know that our water ionize into H plus ion and OH minus ion. By experiment it is found that the concentration of H plus ion is equal to OH minus ion is equal to 1 गुने 10 का पावर -7 मोल पर लीटर. It means H plus ion into OH minus ion is equal to 1 into 10 का पावर -7 into 1 into 10 का पावर -7 H plus ion into OH minus ion 10 to the power -14. On the basis of law of exponent, our 10 to the power -7 and 10 to the power -7, the base have same, so the power will be added. So it will become 10 to the power -14. The product of H ion and OH minus ion represented by a particular symbol Kw, which is called ionic product of water. This is represented by Kw is equal to 10 to the power -14. Here our product of H ion and OH minus ion is equal to 10 to the power -14. The product of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion is represented by a particular symbol Kw, which is called ionic product of water. K is called ionic product of water in examination. The question is asked, what is the value of ionic product of water? You will write 10 to the power -14. So now on the basis of this we can define also the pH. pH is defined as we can define pH. I have said that P represents power, H for hydrogen ion, power of hydrogen ion. It means hydrogen ion का concentration. We can define it pH in this way. It is the negative logarithm of H ion concentration is said to be pH. It is, how can you define pH? It is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is said to be pH. It is the negative logarithm. It is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is said to be pH. It means pH is equal to minus log H plus ion. Here now coming on the next topic. Here we define the pH. It is the negative logarithm of means multiplication. It is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. It is the negative logarithm. It is the negative logarithm. किसका? It is the negative logarithm of means multiplication. Hydrogen ion concentration is said to be pH. It means pH is equal to minus log H plus ion. Now we are coming on the next topic, base What is base? As we know that our caustic soda, washing soda, eating soda are basic, are bitter taste. वॉशिंग सोडा हो गया, खाने वाला सोडा हो गया, कॉस्टिक सोडा हो गया, इनका टेस्ट जो होता है वो बीटर होता है, कड़वा होता है, इनको हम लोग बेस कह सकते हैं, है ना। तो वी कैन डिफाइन अबाउट द बेस दोज केमिकल सब्सटेंस विच आर बीटर इन टेस्ट and soapy to touch and turns red litmus paper into blue is said to be base. Once again I am describing about the base. Those chemical substance, वे रासायनिक पदार्थ जो स्वाद में कड़वा होता है, छूने में साबुन की तरह चिकना होता है और नीले लिटमस पत्र को लाल कर देता है, उसे हम लोग बेस कहते हैं. Those chemical substance which are bitter in taste, soapy to touch and turns red litmus into blue is said to be base. Here our sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium carbonate, they are base. Now I am describing about the base on the basis of Arrhenius principle. Our Arrhenius has also defined the base in this way. Those chemical substance which produce, those chemical substance which gives hydroxide ion in water solution are said to be base. Once again our Arrhenius has said that. Arrhenius ने कहा कि वे रासायनिक पदार्थ जिनको जल में घोलने पर हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन देते हैं उसे हम लोग बेस कहते हैं. Those chemical substance which gives hydroxide ion in water solution is said to be base. Those substance which are bitter in taste and soapy to touch and turns red litmus to blue is said to be base. Example: NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, etc. और those chemical substance which gives hydroxide ion in water solution called base. Example: sodium hydroxide aqueous, Na plus OH माइनस. इस तरह से आपका हो गया, मान लीजिए कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है aqueous, here I have once again I am describing out the base. Those chemical substance which are bitter in taste, soapy to touch and turns red litmus paper into blue are said to be base. On the basis of Arrhenius we can define the base also. those chemical substance which gives hydroxide ion in water solution are said to be base. Here sodium hydroxide after dissolving in water it gives hydroxide ion. Calcium hydroxide in water dissolving after in water gives hydroxide ion. Our potassium hydroxide also gives in dissolving in water hydroxide ion. Our zinc hydroxide after dissolving in water also gives hydroxide ion. Now today our third lecture is going to finish. Thank you. धन्यवाद.